पयलीं स्वातेर ही मीटिंग आयज केल्ली एज अ पर्सनल हियरिंग टू द ऑब्जेक्शन्स दॅट वी हॅड रेज्ड. सो आमी जी ऑब्जेक्शन गायल्ली ती गांवच्या नांवान गायल्ली, प्लस एज अ पॅरिश प्रिस्ट आमी आमचे फाब्रिका प्रॉपर्टीक जे लागता तेजेरूय बीन गायल्ली. आनीक वेन वी वेंट थ्रू द plans that are given to us, the base on which the coming plan is made is all faulty. So base जरी तर सारको ना जाल्यार मुखाल्ले आमचें प्लॅनिंग सारकें जावपाचें ना. आनी प्लस आमकां जायती वायोलेशन्स मेळ्ळे एज रिगार्ड्स टू TCP एक्ट प्लस बिल्डिंग्स एक्ट, आनी ती आमी तेंचे मुखार दवरलेली आहा की ह्या कायद्या प्रमाणे ही वायोलेशन्स आसतना ODP प्लॅन मुखार वचपाक जायना. हें पयलीं रेक्टिफाय करपाक जाय. प्लस जें कितें बेज कितें आहा तें पयलीं रेक्टिफाय जावपाक जाय, विदावट वीच यू कॅनॉट प्लॅन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बिल्डींग बांदपाक मुखार हें मेळपाक जाय देखून रोड प्रपोज केल्लो आहा 6 meters 10 meters, पूण ग्रावंड रियलिटी ही पळोवंकूच ना वायल प्लॅनिंग ऑर वायल प्रपोजींग द प्लॅन वेदर इट इज पॉसिबल. सो ग्रावंड ट्रुथींग हॅज नॉट हॅपन. सो आमी डिमांड केल्लो की हें ग्रावंड ट्रुथींग जावपाक जाय, कम एंड व्हेरीफाय. द MS हॅज बीन कायंड इनफ एंड ही हॅज कम वन्स. आतां आनीक जायत्यो वस्तू आहेत, सो तेमी आमकां सांगलां की ते परतून येतले थिंगा. आनी आफ्टर लुकींग इन टू द मॅटर दॅट इज द ग्रावंड रियलिटी कितें आहा त्या प्रमाणेच जे कितें ऑब्जेक्शन्स आहा ते रेज करतले. प्लस जे रोड्स स्पेशली आमी डिलीट करपाक सांगल्या. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आमची चर्च प्रॉपर्टी आहा आमच्या इगर्जेच्या फाटल्यान, थिंगा 20 meters रोड दाखयल्लो आहा, जो रोड आमी केन्ना मागोवंक ना. सो वी हॅव क्वेश्चन देम विदाउट वी आस्किंग हाव द रोड हॅज बीन प्रपोज्ड इन माय प्रॉपर्टी, रेजिना मंदियन चर्चीच्या मदें जो आहा तो. सो दॅट रोड वी हॅव आस्क्ड टू बी रिमूव. सो असले जे रोड्स आहा वेर इट इज नॉट फिजिबल, इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, पूण घातलेले आहा. आनी श्योरली आय कॅन से दॅट इट इज विथ द malicious mind, or somebody is trying to get the profit. Maybe the builders, they want profit from some other property which is being connected, and amche property dilan vela without letting us know, without our approval. So we have asked that be removed from our property, because we want to maintain the greenery around. Amcho dongar ha to kabar जावपाक आमकां नाका, and we don't want that zonation to be changed. कित्याक चिकाली आतां सद्याक थोडीशी ग्रीनरी उरलेली आसा, फास्ट काबार जावपाक लागलेली आहा. एंड दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दीस टायप ऑफ प्लॅनिंग वीच इज सस्टेनेबिलिटी कांयच ना थिंगासर. जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ समबडी इज आस्किंग समथींग ते थिंगा गायल्ले. आय डोंट नो हू इज आस्किंग, वी डोंट हॅव दॅट इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट आय सी दॅट दीज आर द पीपल हू हॅव प्रपोज सम चेंजीस. इवन village आहा, आनीक आतां in the PDA there is city and village. Entire area, that is city as well as village, cannot be planned in the same manner. City has to be different and village level it has to be different. But sadhyak hinga even C1 has been shown in the village, and that also not a zone. But C1 commercial, that has to be a zone. But just somebody's property for somebody's पण आपणाचो फायदो पळोवपाक सोदता, फकत तेजी प्रॉपर्टी आहा ती C1 केल्या. हाव दॅट कॅन बी. सो वी हॅव रेज दीस क्वेश्चन एंड दे हॅव टोल्ड अस दॅट दे वील एड्रेस these issues.
So we had a very detailed discussion on the ODP draft that has been proposed by the MPDA. We are happy that they invited us for this personal hearing, and we have gone and placed our apprehensions about this draft ODP. We have observed that the draft ODP has been prepared without any basis of studies made or surveys, and it appears that there is a lot of lacunas in the draft ODP. So we have asked them for all the details, what research they have done, what is the basis on which this planning has been done. We have not concluded. We have also placed a request that they visit the village. They have accepted that request also. The committee will be coming. They have offered to come. They will give us the date. And we told them, you come at site, see what we are saying, what is the at site situation in the village, and how the people are suffering because of misplanning and misdevelopment. So our issues have been placed before them. They have heard us very well. They have given their ear to us, and we have hopes that once they come visit us and give us the data, we will be able to study better what are the bases on which these planning maps have been done, and then we can place our apprehension or our suggestions, further suggestions based on the studies that we have done. This is what we have done with today's meeting. We are thankful to the member secretary because he heard us. We have had a 4-hour long discussion with them, and it appears everyone was happy that we brought so many things to their notice. Chikali is a heritage village, that is what we have told them, and therefore they should also come and help us promote and preserve that heritage. This is our concern.
Yeah, this was about the draft ODP 2030, which has been brought out by MPDA, Mormugao Planning Development Authority. पहिल्या सुवातेर, this is an illegal plan. Planning is done for 10 years. 2016 kello, which is valid up to 2026. The next one will be for 2036. Suddenly now they have come with draft plan 2030. We smack of some ulterior motive of some politicians. या पळय कोण MLA आसा, since elections are coming, we strongly feel खंयच्या बिल्डरांच्या रियल एस्टेटांचे they would have converted the green zone into red zone for mega projects पयशे घेतले आसतले. Because we inspected this, we found lot of illegalities. सगळं तांबडो करून सोडला. That means it is for construction. Anywhere suddenly in the middle of the residential thing they have shown as commercial. We have strongly objected. The member secretary was very decent enough to accept, appreciate our objections. The committee which was there understood the genuine objections. We have given with documentary proof. And we feel all this type of planning which is required, it requires micro planning. उदक खंयचे येतले, लायट कितली येतली, is there a school in the village, is there a post office, हे सगळे सुविधा आसा, हॉस्पिटल आसा, हे सगळे प्लॅनिंग करपाक जाय. रस्ते आसा, कांय ना, बेश्टेच परमिशन दिता मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्साक. That is why there is congestion, that is why there is shortage of water, shortage of electricity. And probably now we are linking it up to Nilesh Kabra. He is saying there is shortage. That means there is some हेराफेरी, दाल में काला, हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता रेड झोन करपाचें आशिल्लें आनी तांणी पयलेंच सांगलां शॉर्टेज, केटरिंग फॉर द फ्युचर. So the committee under the member secretary has been decent enough to accept our objection, and they said they'll do the necessary corrections.